Now let us consider another method of creating a series. I just want you to go through this method, just a different method. Can you predict what will be the output here? First, whatever is given is data, and second, whatever is given will be taken as index value. Data is clear. In index value, it is given in another form like x for x in operator, membership operator is used in ABCDE. It means that x will take values ABCDE. That's all. Okay. Now, when we print, you can see the index values are ABCDE and the data will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let us do another example, one more example, like T is equal to PD dot series of x for x in range 10, 20, comma y for y in A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, closing bracket. Now, see, both we have given in the same way. Output of T will be x will take values from in the range 10 to 20, see 10 to 19 excluding 20, and y is taking all the values that has been mentioned in the string. So just another method of specifying the data and the index value, that's all. Now we can mention the data type also when we are creating the array. Now what is the data type here? Data type coming as int 64, int 64. So that both we are getting it as int 64 because the values are integer. The data type is shown as int 64. Now suppose I want to change the data type. I want only int. These are small numbers. I want only int 32. It is possible by using the d type. D type is equal to data type can be accessed using np dot int 32 I am giving. Okay, then now if you give t, you can see the data type has been changed to int 32. So series can have three arguments. Now we have learned three inputs can be given. First one is data, second one is index, and third one is d type, that is data type. Now next point that I want to show is that we can use mathematical operations for generating the values of a series. For example, suppose we consider a list of values which are created using our a range function. Okay, let a is equal to np dot a range of, so I'm giving 9, 13. Okay, now using this I'm going to create an array, a series. S is equal to pd dot series. Now index I'm taking it as a, that is index is equal to a, and data I'm taking it as a star 2. Can you say what will be a star 2? A is an arrange, that is arrange function. It is from numpy library arrange function, and we have done a star 2. Okay, let's see what will be the output. You can see index is a, that is 9, 10, 11, 12. That is, these are the values. And what is data? Data is taken as a star 2, that is multiplication into 9 into 2, 10 into 2, 11 into 2, like that. Okay. You can use exponential of any operator. Okay. I'm using exponent operator here. Okay. Now you can see that it is 9 into 9, 10 into 10, 11 into 11, and 12 into 12. Consider this is possible because this is a numpy data type. This will not be possible. This type of operations we cannot do with our list. Will give an error. Okay, mathematical operations like this star plus etc. are possible. Vectorized operations are possible only with the numpy data type. Now consider a numpy array that a is equal to np dot array, one dimensional array. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I'm creating another array. B is equal to np dot array, say 11, 12, 30. Okay. Now I'm creating another array as a series. S is equal to ed dot series. Index I'm giving it as index. Index is equal to range. Or I'm giving a list. Let it be A, comma B, comma C. Okay. And the data I'm giving it as A plus B. Okay, data is equal to, if I mentioned index there, then I have to mention data also. Data is equal to A plus B. Now if we print yes, see what happens. ABC is taken as the index value, and data is A plus B. What is A plus B means? This corresponding values have been added. 11 plus 1, then 12 plus 2, and 13 plus 3. It was added. This happens because it is a NumPy error. Hope you understood. So this like this way also we can generate elements in a series. Okay. Now we can have duplicate values for the index also. That's a point to be noted. For example, I can repeat the same A here also. Okay. I can give A here. This will not create any error here. Okay. A 2 times A has come. Okay, this will not create an error unless there are certain operations in which the index needs to be unique. In such cases only it will be creating an error. Otherwise, the index values need not be unique. Hope you understood this much. What we have discussed in this video is we have started with a different type of mentioning the creating the series using the membership operator. Then we have used mathematical operations for creating the series. That is with the help of our NumPy arrange function and NumPy array functions we have created series.